Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the SPX 500 based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the overview here for the SPX, we have 1 2 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5, finishing away 3 in your blue scenario, and A, B and a C towards the downside, finishing away 4. And we're looking of course right now for a wave 5 towards the upside, as of course a 1 2 and supposedly 3 4 and a 5. Of course we're still looking for this wave 3. However, of course, we saw yesterday a very massive drop on the daily, of course, where we saw, of course, a little bit of red so far, which is not signaling a very nice trend continuation for this wave 5, where we are currently in a big wave 1 2 here, and then 1 2 1 2, and then 3 4 and a 5. Your wave 5 is not finished yet. Of course, we want to hit this blue box here, but basically we saw of course the US tariffs coming on the Canadians, and we saw of course a retracement with this move. Now if we move on the daily chart here, we can see of course on the daily chart we have 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and we're looking for a massive move towards the downside. However, if this is your wave 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5 towards the downside, you have to expect of course a very massive move towards the downside again for a big A, B and a C, because this whole corrective wave has or this whole impulsive waves has turned into a correction where we are looking 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Of course our chances of course to have an expanding flat here, and then moving for higher again. As you can see, we are looking to hit those targets here, 1.38 at 5,600, and the 1.618 as well, between 5,600 and 5,700, I would say, in confluence of course with your 0.23 here basically. This of course taken on the bigger view. But basically, I would say it's not really looking good. I mean, if we take now, if this is our wave 4, right? If we're taking this is a wave 4 and this is your wave 3, starting here from your wave 2, as based on this one here, we are looking at exactly this is your wave 2 right now, taken from here. So yeah. So minimum target anyway is 0.23, guys, for retracement. In case we want to continue this 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, you are currently in the wave 4, this one, and of course this one taking of course a fib level from this wave 2 to the top here for the wave 3. You would like to have a very sharp move toward the downside, at least hitting the 5,450. So I would say higher possibility as well, of course, is to reach this blue box, of course, here. I would say this one in between the 0.23 and to take it from there. Why I don't see it even yet finished? Because of course, if this is not a leading diagonal or ending diagonal here, therefore it can still turn of course into A, B and a C, and then a big move toward the downside for an A, B and a C, reaching the 0.38 fib level, 5,993, and this is of course in the same pattern with the Nasdaq as we saw in the previous video. So we see the Nasdaq and the S&P of course are on the same course right now, and potentially of course for a massive drop due of course to the latest politics of the US, which are affecting the market. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.